Alright, I'm going to bring out my co-host for the evening. He is a pioneer here in the short 4 years living in Seattle. Please give it up for the founder of Social Outreach Seattle and associate publisher or editor of the Seattle Gay News, Mr. Sean Nitto.
Hey everybody, how you doing tonight?
Hi Sean.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. This is a great show so far. What do y'all think?
I think that you need to go grab a cocktail or get off Grindr, Joshua. Oh, exactly. All right, I'm going to hand the show over to you so I can change into something. Why don't you tell everybody what's going on with Social Outreach Seattle, though?
All right, so I'm the founder of Social Outreach Seattle. We're a local social justice nonprofit. Thank you, Gidget. We're a local social justice nonprofit, and one of the things that we're working on right now is the homeless youth issue that we have in Seattle. How many of you know the statistics of LGBTQ homeless youth? Right? There's 40% of all homeless youth, and that's a low number, I think, are estimated to be homeless. They'll be homeless for 6 weeks or longer in a year. So that's in the millions, right? So we shouldn't be putting up with that number. And what we're doing is we're trying to raise some money to get another shelter built for them. And we're also going out there and actually feeding people and clothing people through a program we call Don't Hate, Donate. And that means don't take all of the hateful things that have happened to these kids and kind of feed into it by throwing stuff away. If you've got food, gently worn clothes, or new clothes, anything that you want to donate, we'll take it and we'll make sure it gets to them at the Lambert House, the Orion Center, and other shelters around the city. So that's just a little bit about what we're doing. You can look us up on socialoutreachseattle.com, and then we'll go ahead and move on with the show.